In this video, I'll detail how to open camera on Apple Watch. So if you have an Apple Watch and your Apple Watch is connected to your iPhone, then you can easily open your camera directly from your Apple Watch and then take the photos or even record videos. So if you're not on this video, if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to open the camera app on your Apple Watch, all you just need to do is you want to make sure your Apple Watch and your iPhone are connected together like this, and both devices are within the range. So if your iPhone and your Apple Watch are not within the range, you'll not be able to use your Apple Watch camera. Now, once they are on the same range, you can just put it aside or place it wherever you want to take the photos or record it. Then go ahead and type in your Apple Watch passcode, press the H2 crown, scroll down, and locate the camera icon on your Apple Watch. Click on it. Then you should see open camera, and that's going to open the camera on your iPhone. So that's how you can easily open camera on Apple Watch to open it on your iPhone like this. So if you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.